We will now process the sign-up goal from the user. We have created a design for it, so we are ready to take it in to the database. In our DB adapter, I have created a new method called public cursor select primary key, string table, string primary key, long row ID, string array fields, throws SQL exception, cursor mcursor db.query table fields primary key equals row ID null 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 null. If mcursor is not null, mcursor move to first, return mcursor. On my website netboard.com, on Android programming tutorials, you can find the complete DB adapter class down here at lesson number 44. So you can just copy and paste it into your program, and here is the select primary key method. So you don't need to actually write this yourself. Okay, let's go to Signup Goal. The first thing I want to do is make a listener for the button, and I will just go to Signup and just copy the code from Signup. Listener for submit, button submit, button submit, button submit, click listener, and it's Signup Goal submit. So this is the onCreate method. So let's create a public void Signup Goal submit. And a command for that. And let's hide the error messages. So now that is done. Okay, in our signup submit, we want to start with target weight, this one. We want to first start with deciding if we have kilogram or if we have pounds. I will just make a new method for hiding error and icon message. Public hide error handling. Just put it in it. Public void. And then just remove that onCreate. And onCreate, I want to determine are we using, what type of measurements we are using. So we create a method measurement used, public void measurement used. And for it I will use the database. So TB open database, DB open, and then I have to close database, db.close. What I want to do is to get row number 1 from users, and with it I will use the db select primary key. Table name is users. The primary key is user ID. The row ID is 1. And the long row ID, and it's 1. Next I need, just go to DB adapter, need fields I want to have. And so I want user ID, I want just check what I want. I want user measurement. Okay. And we will use a cursor for this. Okay, so this is the method for doing that. And so now I want to use a measurement. So to display it, I will use I will first have a string measurement, and measurement is c dot get string 1. So let's try to write it out with a toast. So let's just try to run this code just to see if it works or not. Version 39. Okay. So Unit 3, we use the metric, sign up, has stopped, okay. Let's just inspect it. So what I wanted to have is this one, and I couldn't have it. And I'm thinking is this line. Oh, now I see it should be user here, of course, and user ID. Maybe it's this line also. Oh, then this line is correct. Okay, so I have changed user and user ID here. Users is should be users. Okay, I will try again. Oh, I need to increment the database version. And try again. Okay, something blah blah blah. Measurement metric. So now we have it. Okay. So metric for interior. If measurement starts with M metric else, and if not this starts with M, then we know that we have the other one, period. And then we have to change something. We have to change kilogram to pounds. And it has this text view target measurement type. So any text equals to any text value by ID, and we need to set the text to pounds. Why is it so it's not text, it's not edit text, it's text view. Okay, and we have here a kilogram each week. There should be pounds each week. So just the same here. Okay, now that is done. Now to say pounds, and then each week, but the amount will be the same. Okay, let's take in the information. So we have target weight, and here the input type is not an email address. It's a number. So ID text target weight equals to ID text time view by d r.id. Okay, so we have to do the same as last time. We have to convert it to a number. First I want to have the error handling here. So first the string target weight equals to text target dot get text to string. So try to convert it to a number. Bring target weight equals to 0. So convert the string into a double, and if not, let's put an arrow. Target weight has to be a number. Okay, that was the target weight. Next is the I want to lose weight or gain weight. And let's call it I want to. Spinner I want to. So let's get the spinner ID. Import class spinner I want to, and I want to. So if it's 0, then you want to lose weight. If it's 1, then you want to gain weight. Okay, that was a spinner. Next there's a new spinner. It's the weekly goal. Let's call it for spinner weekly goal. spin the weekly goal. And it's the same as the other one, very easy. And here I don't think that we want the number of the index. I think we want the actual text instead. So we create a string, weekly goal. Okay, let's check if there are any error messages. If not, then we can update the database. So just go down here, your handling, if it's empty, update database, and show error message. So let's try to run this code now. Email, height, weight, sign up. Let's go. Oh, target weight has to be a number. So now it should work. Okay, now we need to update the database. So back to DB adapter, and then make a new method here for update. Now I got an error message. Yeah, because it doesn't return anything. Doesn't matter. So let's we want a string table. Public boolean update string table. We want the primary key. We want the field, and we want the value. So content value arguments, new content value, and the title should be a field. The to value, database table here. Just trying to create a more general one than I already had. Row ID and 0. So here we have the update one. So just going to check that it works. So we go to main activity. Delete that update. Table. ID, row ID, ID here, field. Okay, let's try to update the email. Just have to make sure that you get it right. User email. Update with the new email. New email is the test at postresult.com. Let's just try to run that. Okay, now it's running, and I saw that I had missed this one. So just update that in DB adapter. So let's inspect. It's a T. Only a T, not more. Very strange. String field with a string value. Let's try to put it in a string. And try to run it one more time. So it's running now. Let's inspect. Oh, I'm thinking I put the ID number 3 and the user number 3 doesn't exist. So let's try to put it to number 1. It's running. Let's inspect. Here's this updated email. So I just wanted to I got it to work now. We can update the email or any other field, but I need you to also add this value equals value.substring1 value.length -1. This is because we want to use the quote smart method to remove any dangerous injections to the database. Okay, so let's go and to our signup goal. Just update the database now. So we have row ID 1. We're going to use ID 1. And we want to update goal, target weight, goal ID equals to, this should be goal ID, this is our target weight, weekly goal. We need to update energy, proteins, carbs and fat, but let's do this first. And we have changed our program, so we will change the database also. We have a weekly goal, and we have also I want to. So let's update the database to have this I want to also. O2 and then weekly goal. And here we need insert values. And the insert values are target weight, target weight SQL equals db.put short total target weight plus next is I want to SQL equals db.put smart I want to. Next one is weekly goal. String weekly goal SQL equals to db smart string weekly goal. We need to open a connection to the database. And we need to close the connection to the database. Okay, so let's start with updating the target weight. Then we can update I want to, and then we can update the string. Okay, why doesn't this work? Because it has to be a string. So we need to create methods for string. And same here for integer. DB adapter. Just copy this and we make a double value. And same for integer. Okay, let's try to run this application now. Oh, we need to update the database version. Okay, let's run it. Something. And then I just want to open the database. Goal. Signup. And now we have something here. So if we put target weight 22 kilo, use weight 3 kilo each week. Oh, it stopped working. Okay, let me just think why. So I'm thinking maybe this should be a string, I'm not sure. What are we trying to do? I have to think. We're trying to put here is it. I want to, yeah, I understand. So I want to should only be one line, of course, like this. Let's update. Version 43. Okay, something. This time I will try to use the imperial. Find 3, blah blah blah. Oh, we need inline. Target weight 55, 2.5. No error message, so that is good. So I want to 0 for loose weight, weekly goal 2.5, target weight 55. So now we want to calculate energy, proteins, carbs and fat. Okay, calculating, let's go to Signup Goal. So we tried, we got this updated. Now we want to calculate. I'll just put the DB adapter open here, close here, and open at the start. Open database. And the first thing I want to do now is just to get some information from the user, same as we did up in the measurement. Here we got some information of the user, and I want to do the same. So we move error handling down. And now I will calculate. First, I calculate energy, but I will only do it if there is no errors. Okay, so first I will get some information from user. And now I want now I have to see what I need. I need user date of birth, user gender, height of the user, activity level, yeah, that's it. So string user date of birth, also this, and gender also this. Number 2. Number 3 is height. Next one is activity level. One, two, three, 4. So we can just, for fun, try to write them out with a toast. Toast message. And remember, height is always in centimeter. Activity level. So let's try to update the database version before and run that. Blah blah blah. 3, 55, blah, 55, main, 160, 0. So we got all the information we need. Now we can calculate. So if gender equals 2, or starts with and then we know that's a male. Just want to have a comment that this was the calculate. Or else it's female. There are 2 different formulas. We're going to calculate something called Bmr. And female has this formula. Now we need age. So just go to my website. And get 30 to age converter. Just copy it and paste it into new method. Import the calendar. Android. Make comment. So it's actually just get age, put in the year, month, and day, and get the return string. So string. Okay, we have a problem because the date of birth is not in that order, so we need to explode it. It's called explode, but I don't know what's it called in this here in Android, but in PHP it's explode. Android explode date split. Looks very easy. So year, month, day. String age equals to. Now we're going to use a new method, get age. Here, month, day. So we have to cast them to int. So this will be string here. String month. String day. String to int. So int year. Int month and int day. Int month, int day. Int year. Int month, int day. So let's just use the toast again and get the age also. Calculation. Okay, so I said that the Bmr, it's a double, so we need to make it double Bmr equals 0. Bmr equals, then I will just use my PHP. And mass is now target weight. Height. And then we have the age. So height must be converted to a double. So I need the string to double. So I make a double use of height, convert it, and then use it here. And the age is now a string, and I need it to be a integer. So integer use age, as string, parse. Okay, now we have the Bmr. And we can round it. So Bmr equals math dot round Bmr. Okay, so let's do the same for a female. Mass, height, age, and round it. And now we have to think about activity. So the activity was oh, why don't we use this? The month. Oh, I see. Yeah. Activity level. So if string activity level dot equals to 0, then we take the Bmr, time it with 1.2, and if equals to 1, time it with this one. This was slightly active. If it's with 2, we time it with 1.55. Moderately active. If it's 3, Okay, then time it with 1.725 for active lifestyle. And 1.19 very active. And I just want to think about the mass. So I'll just go to the PDL, Bmr. Mass is in kilogram, yeah, we have it in kilogram. Height is in centimeter, age is in year, so it's correct. So then I should get my energy number. Bmr equals mat.round Bmr. Now I can update it into the database. So W energy SQL equals quotes mark Bmr. Okay, and we need goal ID. Goal ID equals 1. Okay, let's try to run this code now. And see if it works or not. So I have here a Bmr calculator. So I put in my numbers here. And this is what I need every day. Oh, and we need to update database version. So let's put in my birthday. My height, my weight, moderate exercise, and I want to be 80 kilo. 32. So it got my age correct. So let's go and analyze it. So 2,900, and it says 3,113 here. One is incorrect and one is correct. So I think we'll just do the BMR by hand. Or final another one. "32 years old, 184, 90 kilogram. Okay, let's update. I need to see the numbers. So we know that this is correct. So we can remove that. So let's print BMR. For activity. And let's print it after activity. Let's print the formula. Okay, so we can see what is wrong here. I'm thinking maybe it's something of this. What did I get? I got... What did it say? No, we saw in the database. 2,900. That's 700. Okay, let's just update database version, run it one more time. February 85, 184, 90 kilo, moderate, target 80 kilo. Okay, this is the formula. 1871, 2,900. So didn't we get 1871 somewhere? 18, yeah, almost the same. So we know that this is correct. I don't know why I got so much here. So we look for Bmr Calculator with exercise or daily activity. So gender male. What the fuck is this? 32, height 184. 90. One 895. One 9. So yeah, my format is not correct. Perfect. I don't think we need to round this actually. Because we round it. Okay, so the goal energy is correct now. $2,900. And what I want to do now is think that we need to take in account that the person wants to either lose weight or gain weight. So I have a diet calculator here. Okay, so lose or gain weight, and I have 1 kilogram of fat equals to 7,700 kilograms. So if you want to lose 10 kilograms of fat, you need to burn 77,000 kilograms. It's insane. So let's see if we want to lose or gain weight. We have an integer I want to. Yeah. So if this is 0, then we are on lose weight, else we are on gain weight. And we have this weekly goal here, so we need it to be in a double. Set it to be 0. So convert the string to a double, and then we can set the formula. So I need a double kilogram here. So the kilogram equals to this number here. Multiplied by the weekly goal. And then I need a double Bmr goal. It's a daily activity. Minus, yeah, we'll just copy this. So math.route Bmr minus chemical divided by 7. Okay, and now for gain weight. Next plus here. Okay, now we actually can update this one. So let's try the diet calculator. See if it works. Of course I need to update database version also. Update it. Oh, this is too advanced. Yeah, just do something here. My birthday. My height. My weight. Moderate. I want to lose 0.5 kilo each week. Let's go. Let's inspect and see what the result was. Two, 3, 5, 0. So I think it's almost correct. Correct enough. So let's try to gain 0.5 kilo. So we had If we want to lose 0.5, we got 2350. So let's try to gain. 3450. Okay, so try to lose 1 kilo each week. Oh yeah, we can try to lose 3 kilo. Then we got minus 400. Okay. Okay, there's probably something wrong with the calculation here somewhere. Yeah. What if you have 1 kilo? 1800. So maybe that is enough. Let's put 1.5 kilo. 1250, and then you're actually starving yourself to death. So let's say that that's maximum. So I have to check the numbers later. Now I want to calculate proteins, carbs, and fat. Let me just pause a bit. Okay, now I have the answer for the how much of each you should have. 20 to 25% protein, 40 to 50% carbohydrates, and the rest fat. And this one said that so much text. 30% protein, 50% carbohydrates, 20% fat. So I think we will go for that. So double times equals to Bmr Goal, and now we want 25% of this one. So I just need to think. So if we have 2350, we multiply it with 25 divided by 100. We get 587. And if we want 50% fat, the formula should be like this. And then we have 25% left for fat. So this is the correct formula. So 25, 50, 25. So W protein SQL equals to DB code smart things. Same for carbs, same for fats. And then just update. And I want to actually have more energies. I want to have energy, Bmr, and I want to have energy with activity. And I want to have energy with activity and diet. So I want to already up here update the Bmr. Energy Bmr SQL equals to db code smart Bmr. Energy Bmr. And oh, this is with activity, so I need to go even further up here. So this should be a new one. Bmr for energy with activity. This one. Set to 0. Okay, and this is diet, so this is a new number. It's not called goal, it's called energy with activity and diet. Now it's much easier to see if there are any errors in the program. Okay, have we updated this version? Let's do that. And let's run the code. Let's hope that everything works. Date of birth. February 85, 184, 90, moderate, Signup, I want to be 80 kilo, use 0.5, let's go. Inspect. So we got Bmr 1871 and with activity 2900 and with diet is 1321. Proteins looks good, carbs look strange. Yeah, like this. Okay, let's just move the user to the main activity. Because now everything is complete. So close this. If there's no error, just move it to main activity. Okay. And this class is actually complete. We have all the numbers, we have everything calculated. We are now moving the user back to the main activity, and so next episode we need to start thinking about the main activity, how we want it to be. So it will be really cool, and really look forward to the main activity. It's where the user will add food, write what he or she has eaten, and have a link for edit profile. So it will be cool.